algebraic phrases into a mathematical expression. Where's a number d minus 17? So a number d minus 17. A number w added to 50. A number w added to 50. It has a keyword added to. So we'll start with 50. And a number, we will add w. A number c to the power of 84. So c to the power of 84. The product of 92 and a number p. So 92 times p, 92p. The difference between a number k and 54. The difference between k and 54. The quotient of 23 and number f. So 23 divided by f. The number q, a number q plus 98. A number q plus 98. The sum of 77 and a number t. 77 plus t. So we have plus. A quotient of a number h and 39. For 54 added to a number v. So it says added to a number v. So 54 is added to a number v. 97 times a number m. 97 m. 67 subtracted from a number z. So 67 is subtracted from a number z. A number b increased by 3. So b plus 3. 35 less than a number g. 35 less than a number g. So g minus 35. A number y multiplied by 35. So we have 35y. A number j divided by 16. So j over 16. A total of 60 and a number r. 60, a total of 60 and a number r. 55 to the s power. 55 to the power of s. The difference between 8 and a number x. 8 minus x. 44 more than a number n. So n plus 44.